Let's open the supply pack and see what I'll get. Hopefully I get a lot. 5! That's really good. Let's go again. Oh man, only 1? Come on, give me a lot. Five! Nice. Let's see what I'll get in the supply crate now. I really hope I get something permanent. That would be cool. Three-day Yeti helmet. Not bad. This is the account that I'm giving away. It's a career account. All you have to do is like, share, subscribe, and comment your in-game name and why you would like this account. I will be giving it away at 100 subscribers. All of the stuff that you're seeing here is permanent. It also comes with a blue parachute. It's not the regular green one. And you'd have a rename card, so you can change your name to whatever you'd like.